What's good, YouTube? In this video, we'll be taking a look at how you can use less data or save data for WhatsApp on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This will work for the S23 Ultra and most versions of the S23 as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to use less data for WhatsApp, thankfully it's pretty easy to toggle this option on the S23. The first thing you want to do is actually open up WhatsApp. After you open up WhatsApp, you want to hit the three dots at the top right of the screen. And then from there, you want to hit your settings. From your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for storage and data. This is usually below notifications and above app language. After you hit storage and data, you want to look for use less data for calls. And if you toggle this on, WhatsApp will try to optimize calls to make them more efficient for your data and use less data while you're making calls. So there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to use less data for calls and use less data for WhatsApp on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.